part of the bill.
Agreed.
Agreed. Now, the new section
24.
Amendment number 1, the name of the Minister. 1 and 3 are a composite proposal and will be discussed together. So, Minister, to move.
I move.
Move. Is that agreed? Agreed. Then so then we go on to the next new section, Amendment 2. Minister, to move.
I move.
2 and 4 form of composite proposal will be discussed together. So that Amendment 2 agreed? Agreed. Then on amendment to the title, Amendment number 3, already discussed with number 1, the Minister to move?
I move.
Is that agreed?
Agreed.
And Amendment number 4, already discussed with number 2, the Minister to move?
I move.
Minister to move? Agreed. That this be the title of the bill, an act to provide for the closing of St Patrick's Institution, to make further provision for the closing of prisons, for those purposes to amend the Prisons Act 1933 and to provide for consequential amendments for certain other enactments, to make provision in respect of certain persons who are serving sentences of imprisonment for the purposes of deportation or removal from the state, to amend the petty sessions